Now we will be doing the revision of question number 32. Question number 32. First question 36. We are starting the sample paper, and I told you to do from the last. So question number 36 we have done 5 marks question. 35 we have done. 34 we have done. 33 we have done. So 5 marks question we have completed. Now we have to do question number 32. Now when we are doing question number 32, on what topic the question number 32 may be there? Question number 32. This topic, the question may be from area related to circle. In the last class, question number 33, I have explained about the chapter that is the chapter, I think so, we have done from somewhere, I don't know what was the last question, but identity, I know, yes, I recall the topic what I have explained in the last. So question number 33, I told you how to solve the identity. Now one question will be of identity, how to the following trigonometric identity, and I have explained from that how one question is changed to 15 question, about number of 15 questions we have done. Now area related to circle, that is area of shaded region. Surface area volume question will be in 5 marks, so I have explained that. Now we are on the area of shaded region. Now the questions, if I start with the one question, so question will be what? In figure, the figure is given to you. This is the figure. One quadrant is there. This is the quadrant. Now when we talk about quadrant, so this is the side. Now if I say side, so radius, this is R, and this is also a radius R in figure. Now if I say this is R, this is also R. Now if I take this as, I can find out the area of this shaded region. Now the side, you can take it, this as A and this as B. You can take as B. That is A equal to 8 centimeter, B equal to 6 centimeter. So if I say this is O, this is A, this is B, and this is C, this whole figure is given to you. Area of shaded region is equal to. Now when we talk about area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equal to. First we write like this: area of shaded region. Shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of rectangle. Area of quadrant minus area of rectangle. Now area of quadrant is what? Pi r square upon 4 minus area of rectangle, that is A into B. Area of rectangle when we talk about, that is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now this is the formulas. But if I say this is A is 8 centimeter. This is B. I can find out the radius, and radius, what you will write? OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to R. OA, OB, OC equal to R. OA, OB, OC, that is R. OA, OB, OC equal to R. Now, in right angle triangle, O, if I take as is a B, sorry, D, this is what D point. In right angle triangle, ODB, ODB, by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, that is a square plus b square equal to r square. That is 8 square plus 6 equal to r square. R square 64 plus 36. R square 100. R equal to 200 and R equal to 10 centimeter. R equal to 10 centimeter. That is, this is the radius. One side, here you know where the radius, and here N equal to what? 8, that is 8 centimeter. B equal to 6 centimeter, and R you have calculated here. R is what? 10 centimeter. Now place the value here and you will get the answer. See, now this question will be of 3 marks. So once all the, what you will write this Pythagoras theorem, calculate radius, calculate the area of rectangle, calculate the area of quadrant. If you are writing all these things, you will get marks for that. Now sometime what happens, when we are doing the questions, what we see that area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of rectangle. So some students, they write this. First they write like this. Then once they have written like this, they will get marks for this. After that they have put in the formula. Area of quadrant, they know the formula. So they will write the formula. Area of rectangle, they know the formula. So they will write the formula. What mistake they will do? They will not able to get the values. But once they have started the question, they will be able to solve the question. So first of all, try to solve like that. So sometimes radius is given to you. This base is given. You can find out A. So it whatever the situation. This may be a square ODBR, ODB, and you can take as this. This may be a square also. Now, so different type of questions are there. This triangle may be there. If I say triangle, so first figure is this one, and after that if I take as triangle, so I can take that also. So different type of questions are there. Now this. So first of all, you must know the formula area of sector. What is the area of sector formula? Area of segment. You must know area of sector, area of segment. Theta 120 degree angle. This time, this is theta equal to 120 is not taken in the syllabus. This is related. So you can have the formula like that. Area. Now area of sector. Area of sector. When I talk about area of sector, so all the things should be that is, when I talk about sector, it is minor, area of minor sector. So it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now when I talk about this is center O, this is radius, this is radius, this is theta. Now this is minor center. minor, and this is major, theta. Now this is theta m, theta m, theta plus theta m, theta plus theta m equal to 360 degree. So this first of all, if theta is given, you can find theta is the major sector angle. This is minor sector angle. This is major sector angle. So area of major sector is what? Theta m upon 360 into pi r square. Now, after this area of sectors, if I ask you area of sector when length of arc, before that you must know length of arc, length of arc, that is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Length of arc theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now, give a area of sector when length of arc and radius given, area of sector equal to half into L into R. Area of sector equal to half L into R. If I ask you perimeter of sector, one more thing, perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector will be what? Perimeter of a sector, that is 2r plus L, because this is radius, and if I take this as theta, so you will get this as L. This is L. So what? This is L. Perimeter of sector. Now after this, we have area of segment. Now when we talk about segment, so segment, if I make the figure here, segment, this is chord, this is arc, and this is segment. So this is center, this is minor, and this is major segment. Major segment, minor segment. Perimeter of sector 2r plus L. So if I talk about segment, area of segment, when I talk about segment, that is minor. Area of segment is equal to r square pi theta upon 360 minus 1 by 2 sin theta. This time theta for 45 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So this only this angle you have to consider. Now 7, area of major segment, you must know. Area of major segment is what? Area of circle minus area of major segment, area of circle minus area of minor segment, minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of major segment equal to area of circle. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Now after this area of major segment, we can have different type of shaded region. One more thing you will, that is circles. Area of circle and all you must be knowing. What is semicircle and what is quadrant, you must know. That is semicircle. 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 Quadrant. Quadrant. Semicircle quadrant. When we talk about semicircle, this is the semicircle and this is center O. This is R. This is R. So this is semicircle. When we talk about quadrant, see the quadrant. This is quadrant. This is 90. This is R and this is R. So quadrant. Now different types of questions may be there. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. When we talk about equilateral triangle, that is 60 degree. You know that each angle is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now this angle, and after that we have this. So you can find out the shaded region of this. This is equilateral triangle, and if angle you know, then you can come to know. So this A. Now radius. This is R. This is R. This is R. This is also R. That is, this is also R. Only the one diagram I am making. So don't confuse with that. And this is also R. R. And this is R. This is R. So area of shaded region. Now this triangle is equilateral, so you can say that area of shaded region equal to area of equilateral triangle minus area of three sectors. Suppose this angle is not a equilateral triangle. It may be a square triangle. Theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. So area of three sectors, theta 1 upon 360 into pi r square plus theta 2 upon 360 into pi r square plus theta 3 upon 360 into pi r square, and pi r square you can take common. Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 will be what? 180 degree, and by that you can find out. You can take like this also. This is theta 1, this is theta 2, and this is theta 3. So radius, this is radius and this is radius. So radius may be the same. It is not necessary that it should, so figure may be any figure. That is, you can take as this is R. Now this is R. This is R. This is R. And this is R. And this is R. So shaded region will be like this. If it is an equilateral triangle, then the figure will be like this. But if it is a scalene triangle, that is also another figure. That is, you can make the figure quadrilateral also. Quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4 will be what? 360 degree. And this is how you can do the question. Okay. So revise this chapter.